Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the right. And as you can see, it gives us access to advanced camera settings. Now let's slide down to save settings here, and as you can see here we have the save location button, so by tapping on this we can easily turn off and turn on saving location info at our picture. So this is how it works here. Also, the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me stay on this, turn it on, and let's go to take a photo. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom to the preview. So this is the picture in the gallery, and when we slide a little bit down we get access to the details about it, and as you can see here we have the location with the map. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.